In this video, you'll learn how to set up Microsoft 365 Business Email in just a few minutes so you can communicate professionally with your custom domain and brand identity. First, open your browser and go to microsoft.com/microsoft-365/business. Choose a Microsoft 365 plan that fits your business needs, like Business Basic or Business Standard. Then click Buy Now to start the setup process. Next, sign up for your Microsoft 365 account. Enter your business details, including your name, company size, and country. Microsoft will guide you through creating an admin account for managing your organization's email and tools. Now, connect your custom domain. In the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, click Setup, then Domains, and add your domain name. Microsoft will guide you through verifying ownership by adding a TXT record to your DNS settings. After that, configure your DNS records. Microsoft will provide MX, SPF, and CNAME records that you'll need to add at your domain registrar. These records ensure your business email works correctly across all platforms. Once your domain is verified, create email accounts for your team. Go to Users in the Admin Center, click Add a User, and assign each team member a custom email address using your business domain. And that's it! Your Microsoft 365 business email is now set up, and your team is ready to communicate professionally.